Hello students, the topic of this session is simple Java program structure and the steps for implementing Java program. We will discuss about a simple Java program and how to compile and execute your Java program. We will make a discussion on Java virtual machine. Here the Java program structure involves all these components which you are viewing on the screen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ document section ಇದೆ. Document section, it's like a comment section. ಇಲ್ಲಿ name of the program ನೀವು comment form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Can refer study material for the syntax of writing the comments slash ಮತ್ತೆ star ಮತ್ತೆ after writing the comment star and slash ಈ combination of characters use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we write the comment in the documentation section. Following the documentation section there is a package statement. If you are declaring a user defined package ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Package is the standard keyword. Next followed by package name. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು predefined already existing packages ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. import java.io.star. If you are making use of some parsing functions for inputting the data, allowing the user to make use of the keyboard and enter the data in the command line. ಇದನ್ನು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ suppose you make use of those kind of predefined packages, applets use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ and for some of the features make use of different kind of API packages which is present in Java. And for example ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೆಟರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ to import the test class from the package student anta. Next followed by that is interface declaration. It's an optional section. Even package ಮತ್ತೆ import statements optional section. Documentation, if you want to specify the name of the program you can make use of documentation section. Interface, it's like a class but it includes only the group of method declarations. Idishtu optionals. Next main thing is class definition section alli class name ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. Next comes the main method of Java program. Public static void main, string arguments as the parameter and followed by code within the brackets. This is the simple Java program structure. there are 3 steps for implementing a Java program or any program for that matter. That is creating the program, compiling and running the program. First, we will look into the concept of creating the program. For that, we need a program, a simple program to print hello Java, to print the statement hello Java. Class, first you write the keyword class. After providing space, write the class name, any user defined name. Here I have taken the user defined class name as simple. Then followed by that, according to the program structure, the main function of the class, that is public static void main. String is a data type in Java, followed by arguments. And then it's like a printf statement, that is system.out.println. Here system is a class, out is an object, println is a method which prints the statement hello Java. That should be inside the brackets. This is how we write a Java program. First you write a class keyword, then followed by that class name, main function, then the print statement. After writing this program in your notepad, save your program by providing a proper file name followed by the extension .java. The name of the file name and the class name should be same. For example, in this program I have taken the class name as simple. That means you are going to save your file as simple.java. And the command for running the compiling the program is Java C command. That is C stands for compiler, Java compiler. Java C, you provide a space after that and write your program name, that is simple.java, and then press enter. If you have any syntax errors, compile time errors, it will provide a list of that in the command line. And then for running the Java program, just use the keyword Java, provide a space and write the class name. Here in this example, the class name is simple. So the command Java space simple will give you the output of the program. So these are the 3 steps for implementing a Java program. Then moving on to another topic in this session, that is Java virtual machine. As we have learned under the section of features of Java, Java is architectural neutral, it is platform independent, it's a portable language. These are all the common features which I have learned in the previous session. All those features you learned with respect to this Java virtual machine. Here there is a Java source file. Java source file means just now we learned that we can write a code which has a class name called simple in a notepad file, and you can save that code as simple.java. That is called as, that whole thing or whole step is called as Java source file. It adds an input for the Java compiler in your system. What is the task of the compiler generally for any programming language? It's a language translator which converts high-level language to machine code language. Here, what the Java compiler does is, it creates a Java class file. Java class file, it consists of bytecode instructions. The Java compiler which creates bytecode instructions is called as Java virtual machine. The virtual machine code is not machine specific. It is generated by the Java interpreter by acting as an intermediator between virtual machine and the real machine. Of course, machine code irlebeku to run your Java programs. That is done by your real machine or the interpreter which is present in your machine. Java bytecode instructions na ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯುನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್. ಜಾವಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೈಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ that acts as input for your interpreter. ಈ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ಜಾವಾ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್. ಸೊ we have learned in this session about the program structure of the Java, which consists of documentation section, package section, import statements, followed by interface statements, which are all the optional features. After that, you will create a class followed by class name. We'll open the bracket, write the main function of your Java program. We'll write some code or some print statements. You close the bracket and you save your whole program in a notepad with the filename.java, and then for compilation you make use of the command javac followed by space and the filename.java. Then if there are no errors, you can go to third stage of running the program by using the keyword or the command java followed by the space and the class name. Then we learnt about Java virtual machine, which involves 2 stages of processing, that is compilation and interpretation. Your Java compiler will take Java source file as the input, which consists of Java code, which is in the high level language, and converts that Java code which was in the high level language into Java class file. This procedure is called as Java virtual machine. A Java compiler which converts source code into Java class file or bytecode instructions is called Java compile, Java virtual machine, and this bytecode instruction, which is in the form of class file, will act as an input for your interpreter, and then interpreter will pass the instructions to your real machine, which converts the data into machine code. I hope you have understood all these three concepts. For more information, you can refer study materials. Thank you all.